Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Come, let's make this project together. Now take your yarn, wind round your finger. You have a hole like that, put your hook in, bring it out. You're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's go through the pick 3 chains. Pick 3 chains and now go into the circle. Pull it out. Come out 1. Come out 2. Come out 2 and come out the last 2. Now pick 2 loops. Pick 1. Pick another one. Now go into the circle. Go back 1. Go back 2. Go back 3 and go back 4. Pick 2 loops. This Tunisian crochet, as you all know, we're making a flower keyring. We are on the first petal. Get into the circle, bring it out, go back 1, go back 2, be careful, go back 2, go back 3, go back 4. So how many? We need 5 lots. Go another loop, pick another one, and you got 3 on the hook. Go into the circle, go back 1, go back 2, go back 3, go back 4. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. Go pick 1, pick another one, and now get into the circle, pick 1, go back 1, go back 2, go back 3 and go back 4. So now we are going to chain 4 down, and we will have finished that petal. That is 1 petal of our flower. So that is 1 petal complete. And you're going to do 4 more petals using the same pattern, like chain 4, pick the chains, pick 3. So you do that until you have 4 complete petals around that circle. Two and 4. Pick 1 and another one, and you have 3 loops on your hook. Get into the circle, pick 1, go back 1, go back 2, go back 3, go back 4. And you're going to get to do 4 petals using the same method. That is what we got so far. Very beautiful 4 petal flower. So you're going to chain 4 down, chain 4, go into the circle like so. It's a little bit tight. Now go like that. And now you're going to chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. That is how long our chain is. You're going to single crochet on one chain, single crochet, and now you're going to go round the chain 5 times, that being 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you end up having 6 chains, 6 loops on your hook. Now you're going to go through all the 6 like that and get them together like so. Now you're going to chain towards the circle. To pick the chains towards this circle. Can be a little bit tight because the chain is a little bit twisted, but you get there in the end. So single crochet into the chain, single crochet, keep going until you get to this circle. Yeah, until you get there. And now we are there. Now we are going to go into the chain, come out like that, and pull through the 2. Now you're going to make another chain of 16. That is what we have. Now another chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 16. You make 16 chains. You're going to repeat what we did on the other chain. So we got 16 chains. You're going to single crochet 1, and now you're going to go around the chain 5 times, just the way we did on the other chain. That is 1, twice, thrice, 4, and 5. So you got 6 loops on the hook. Now you're going to go through the 6 and put them together like that, and you're going to single crochet all the way towards the middle circle. As we said, it can be a little bit tough because the chain is a little bit twisted, but you get there in the end. So single crochet until you come to the circle. Keep going, yeah, like that. Single crochet until you come to the center of the circle. Just keep going. That is what we have so far. So you do it until you come to this circle. Now we're going to get into the circle. Get in, get your yarn, and you got to be, it's a little bit tight, but it's doable. So you do it like that, and now we come to the end of the other chain. Now we are going to cut our yarn and pull it through the hook so that it doesn't unravel like so. So we have that. We finished both chains. Let me show you what we have so far. So far, so good. It's like a petal man, or a flower man, if you want to say so. Flower man, petal man. So that is what I have. I've got to hide that little yarn just to make it all nice and tidy. Pull it through and cut it off. There you go. And let's see what we have. Let's see what we've got. You see how beautiful it is? So beautiful. Very beautiful. It's like a flower man or a flower. Now we are going to make a holder, like a chain holder, or a hanging loop. So you can, here you do as many chains as you want, depending on where you are going to hang it. It's a beautiful flower man or petal man, whatever you want to call it. It's a keyring decoration at the edge of the day, and it's so beautiful. I thank you for being with me, for staying with me. I am forever grateful. I enjoyed your company, and thank you for being here. Your presence is appreciated. So we got our little hanging rope. So we're going to cut the yarn as you do. Put it through. Tighten it up, and we are going to tie together with this one, make it more tighter or more firmer. We need to hide those two ends. We need to hide them away so that our work can be lovely and neat. And I've got my darning needle. I've already made it, threaded them up. Pull hard. Can be a bit tight. And you end up with something like that. So let's put our keyring. Let's see how beautiful it's gonna be. It's so beautiful. Beautiful keyring. You see how our flower man or our petal man, whatever you want to call them, is so beautiful. I like it. Hope you like it too. I'd made a few more for us. That is one. The one we just made. I had made a purple one. Just the same design. Like that one. I had another yellow one. With the yellow one, yeah, another yellow one, and they all look so beautiful. I thank you for being with me. Thank you for staying on, and it's the time for me to say bye.